Hello, Shopify store owners. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're selling a lot of stuff through your Shopify store. Welcome back with another video where you will learn how to add color swatches on your latest Dawn 15.1.0, or if you're using Sense 15.1.0, or if you're using Color Block. Basically, all are the same. So in this video, I'm going to show you first how to add the native Shopify feature. So Shopify a few months back have released a feature where you can add color swatches without using any app, without using any theme customization. So now you don't need to use any codes or any app in order to add color swatches. But those color swatches are not very feature rich. I mean, they're pretty basic color swatches. Yes, they serve the purpose, but if you want an additional set of features, I'm gonna share my customized code where you can add a lot of additional features. Like if you want to add multicolor swatch, if you want to add variant image swatch, you can do that. So first, let me show you. So that's the default color swatch of Shopify. You can see I have these two colors here, purple and black. Now, if you go to product page template and then click on variant picker, you have option to change the shape to square, or you can display those color swatches in drop down. So in the first part of video, I'm going to show you how you can add this. And on the second part, you will learn a little additional features. So for example, this one. So that's a feature which we have created for you guys. And in that, you can add multicolor swatches. Like this one is black, this is blue, this is purple, and here I have a t-shirt which is multicolor, black and blue. And here I have a color swatch with three color options, right? It's a tri-color swatch. So you have black, blue and purple. So you can do that using the customized code which I'm going to provide. And also, if you don't want to display the color swatch, you want to display swatch as a variant image, you can also do that just by clicking on this variant image button here. And now you can see it's automatically detecting the variant image for the swatch. You can also add your own custom image. So if you click on color and you want to display instead of purple, so that's the tri-color swatch which we have here. This one, black, blue and purple. If you want to add your own custom image here, you can do that as well. All you have to do is just upload the image and copy the name of that image and paste it here. Then it will display the custom swatch image. Also, you have the option to change the styles. So you can display either square, or you can display it on square with rounded corners, or you can display it in a portrait mode. Also, you can change the swatch size. Let's get it back. So all of these additional features you will be getting through the code customization tutorial, which is this one here. You will find the link of this blog post in the YouTube video description. I'll show you guys step by step on how to implement that. But first, I'm going to show you guys how you can add the native Shopify swatch feature. So without further ado, let's get into the backend of my store. Now from here, let's click on online store. And first, I'm going to install fresh Dawn 15.1.0 and show you guys how you can add the native color swatch feature without any code customization. Just with a few clicks, you'll be able to get the color swatches working completely fine, but not with a lot of features, just like I showed you guys. Okay, so let's first install Dawn 15.1.0. Click on add. And our fresh Dawn has been installed. Guys, while this theme is being installed, there's a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will be getting your store with just $1 a month. So if you're a new business and you want to sign up for Shopify, use that link and you will be getting the Shopify store in just $1 a month. On top of that, if you sell just $3,000 a month, you'll be getting $30 on credit as a subscription of Shopify. So you can use those credits as a Shopify subscription. So if you are paying $29 a month for Shopify subscription, all you have to do is just sell $3,000 worth of your own products and you will get your Shopify store completely for free, because they are giving away 1% cash back as a credit to your Shopify subscription. So make sure to use the link in the description to sign up for your new Shopify store. Okay guys, so our Dawn 15.1.0 has been installed. Now click on publish and then click on publish again. And now let's preview our product page. Click on these three small dots and then click on preview. I'm going to close down these tabs here. Also guys, I have created a separate playlist for the swatches tutorials. So in this playlist, you will only find the color swatches tutorial. So if you are on Dawn 13.0.1, you can implement this tutorial. And this one is, I guess, Dawn 12.0.0. This one is for Dawn 9.0.0. So all of the swatches tutorials on my channel is being compiled on this playlist just for the ease of you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to keep getting new updates about the latest tutorial which we create for you guys. Okay guys, our Dawn 15.1.0 has been published, and if I go to my product now and open this up where I have colors, that's how it currently looks: black, blue and purple in the pills format. Now we will enable the color swatches. Let's go to that product page, click on the products. I'm going to go to that product. So open that up, scroll down and make sure you have selected the category here. So Shopify automatically add this category, but if it's not showing up, make sure to select the appropriate category. In my case, I'm selling t-shirts with our sporting goods, so it has automatically selected that category, right? Now if I scroll down, I have this option of category meta fields. Now click on this plus color site icon and then click on save. And now we will add the colors here. So we have black, and then we have blue, and then we have purple. Great. We also have dual color and tricolor as black, blue and black, blue, purple. But we don't have this option in Shopify where we can add multicolors. Unfortunately, we don't have this option, right? So what we're gonna do, we'll just click save and see how it works. And now click on this color variant option here. And from here, click on this icon where it says connect meta field. And here we will select the color option. And now you can see it automatically added the color swatches which we selected from this category meta field. Okay, now let's click on save. Now you can see that it's giving us that we haven't added the colors for these two variant options. Now let's add those as well. Click on this here. And as we do not have any entry for black plus blue, what we're gonna do, we'll click on this plus icon where it says add black blue. And now as we do not have the color, what we're gonna do, we'll select the image for that variant. So click on select image. And this one is my variant image for black blue. So let's select that. Click on save. And similarly do for black, blue, purple. So that's a tricolor t-shirt which I have. And I'm going to click on this plus sign here. And here again, we don't have the color option as we don't have tricolor option here. So I'm going to click on select image and then select this variant image which I have. Click on done, click on save and click on save again. Okay, now let's preview our product, how it looks like. So click on this preview button here. And here's how our color swatches looks like. So these one are grayed out, I guess, because we don't have quantity here. So let's add in the quantity. Click on save. Okay, let's open up the product page again and hit refresh. And here we go. We have our color swatches added. Now, if we go to our customize settings and try to look for the swatches settings here. So let's go back to our online store and then click on customize. And from here, I'm going to open the product page template. And let's open up that product. Now here, if we click on variant picker, we have these options where we can display color swatches in a drop down mode like this. Or we can show them as pills. And we can change the shape from circle and square. So these are the only options which we have. Cool. So guys, we added the native Shopify features for color swatches. Now I'm going to show you the customize feature which I showed you on the starting of the video. Okay, let's start doing that. So let's click on exit. And here I'm going to click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. Guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a backup of your theme. Here we have the option of duplicate. It's grayed out for me because I already have 20 themes. So let me show you how you can create a duplicate in order to save your live theme from going broken. So make sure to have a backup of your theme because we'll be doing a lot of code customization. So first I'm going to show you guys how you can create a duplicate. So I have now 19 themes and now I have the limit to duplicate this theme. So let's click on this 3 small dots and then click on duplicate. And now I have the copy of my theme, right? Now I'm going to either work on the copy or this one. In either case, if you have messed up code or your theme is not looking as expected, you can easily revert back because now you have the backup of the theme. Okay, now let's click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code, and we will start customizing our theme in order to achieve the extraordinary Shopify swatches feature. Okay, so that's our tutorial, and that's the step 1 where we'll be adding settings underscore schema. That's the code which we'll be adding. So let's search for this file. There's the file, click on that. And after this inverted comma here in line number 9, hit enter to add a line break, copy code, paste the code, and hit save. Okay, after saving this, let's go back to our tutorial. By the way, this tutorial, you will find the link in the YouTube video description. Okay, let's replace this code in product-variant-picker.liquid file with the following code. Okay, now let's search for this file. Here's the file, click on that. And now I'm going to search for this code. So that's a field set, which you will find on line number 46. It might be a little different line number because if you already have the code customization done in your theme, line number might be a little different. That's why I have placed this code here so you can compare the code which you will be replacing. Okay, now let's click on this copy code and replace this code with this code. Perfect, hit save. Let's move on to the next step. And in this step, we will create a snippet file, which we will name color-option. Okay. So here we have this add a new snippet option. Click on that. And we will create a file color-option. Make sure not to do any mistake on the file name because that's being referenced on our code which we added in product-variant-picker.liquid file. Okay, now click on done. And now let's copy this code and paste it here. Perfect. After pasting the code, hit save. And now let's preview our product page. And it will not show the color swatches which we added yet, because we will have to select none on native Shopify color swatches feature. So let's do that. Click on these three small dots and then open our theme customizer. And from here, let's open up the product page template. And click on variant picker. And from here, select none. And make sure the style is selected as pills. Okay. Now click on save. And now let's go back and select the product where we have our color swatches. And here we go. You can see that our color swatches are showing up, and we only have black and blue showing up. The reason why is that we'll have to define the hex code of the colors. So let's click on theme settings and then color swatches by WebSense Pro. Here we have these colors defined, and we already have black and blue. For purple, let's add in the color code. So I'm going to remove all of these colors and just leave the ones which I really want. Okay, purple. And now I'm going to add hex code for purple. Let's search for that. So we have multiple purple shades. I'm going to use this one for now. After pasting the hex code, you can see that purple color is showing up. Great. Now we need to add this black plus blue, right? So let's copy this option name here. Add a line break. Add double dot. And now I'm going to copy the hex code for black. Paste it here. And then copy the hex code for blue. And then paste it here. And now you can see we have this dual color swatch showing up. Now similarly, I'm going to do the same for black, blue, and purple, which is my 5th color swatch. Okay, now let's copy that. Name of the color option. And now add in the hex code. So we already have black, blue. I'm going to copy this. And then the 3rd hex code would be for purple. Let's copy that and paste it here. Perfect. You can see that our tri-color swatch is also showing up. You can also do variant image, just like I showed you in the starting of the video. And you can see that variant image showing up. So the variant image for these two is not selected. That's why it's not showing up. And let's go to the product pack and to see why it's not showing up. So let's open up the dashboard. Go to that product. Scroll down. And here you can see that the variant image for black, blue, and black, blue, purple is not selected. So we're going to select that. Perfect. After selecting that, hit save. And now let's click on save button here as well. And now you can see that variant images are showing up completely fine. And now if I change the swatch style, cool. Let's also change the swatch size. Perfect. And make sure to add the option name as it is. So if you do the spelling mistake or capitalization mistake, it's not going to work. So I have this COLOR. If I add additional U as a British English, it's going to break the functionality, right? So make sure to have the proper spelling when adding color swatch option name, and also don't do any capitalization mistake. So if I remove this capital C and add the smaller c, you can see it's going to stop functioning. Or if you have multilingual store, you can define the color as like if you are on French, you can like add fabre, whatever the option name which you have showing up here, make sure it's added here to make this color swatches functionality work. And I'm going to add this video on this playlist as well, so you'll have all of the color swatches videos on one single playlist, and you will also find the playlist link in the video description. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what more you would like to learn and what more would you like me to improve on the upcoming videos. Until next video, have a great day.